who actually writes our laws? The other day I saw a video on here asking that, and I thought, yeah, I wonder who does write our laws. That is interesting, because obviously after that last hearing that we saw about the band, it was clear that none of those people actually wrote the law or actually knew what they were talking about. But then it reminded me of a time a few years ago that I was on a board and we were with a community activist group. I don't know the right phrase or whatever, but we were trying to handle urban core blight in Kansas City. And one of the laws that they handle tax sales is very old. I don't know, like I don't remember, 50s, 60s, something like that. You can imagine the world has changed a little bit since then. So we were trying to get this law in Missouri updated. And so we had to come up with what we wanted, what we thought was fair, what we thought was good, what we thought would work for now and then going forward. Then we had to find a lawmaker to sponsor our law and then present it to the Missouri House, Senate, whatever, to get this updated. It was interesting because some of the language that in this group that I was, again, naive about, they were discussing, what do we need to put in this law to make them happy? And I didn't understand who them was. So I asked somebody in the group with me, I was like, who's them? And then he said the other political party. Because in order to get the law passed, we would need support from both political parties. I thought that was interesting. Anyway, that election didn't go the way that everybody thought it was going to go. So that law never saw the light of day. The person that was going to sponsor it did not get reelected. And then that group shifted their focus on what they wanted to accomplish in the urban cores. So to answer the question, the people that write the laws are the groups that want the laws changed, rather that be a community group, corporation, lobbyist, whoever it is. Somebody writes the law, proposes it, gets a political person to sponsor it, and then they present the law as their law. They probably haven't read much of it, but just know the gist of it.